I'm back, and I'm with Chinook, who is a 10-year-old quarter horse, 21-year-old quarter horse, ex-barrel racer, now strictly just pleasure riding. I am not going to do a huge assessment on him. I'll show a little video of him walking, but essentially I know he is tight in his back end. I rode him yesterday. I think it's just really age and arthritis. So we'll work on his glutes mainly today and hamstrings, just to loosen up that and some of the lower back. Yeah, and we will get started. I'm just going to take his pulse. So his pulse is about 46 beats per minute, which is fine. I'm not concerned about that. I'm just going to do some general like flexion and movement with him. So overall, again, like I said, he's 21 years old. There's going to be some stiffness. Totally normal. I don't have any really big concerns, and neither does the owner. So I'm just going to start. I'm going to do a general like rub down. I already know, because I rode this horse yesterday, that he's tight in the hind end. So we'll start at the masseter muscles. Just give them a rub. Pull. Yeah. And the rhomboid. Venus. Brachiocephalicus. Oh, that's tight. A little bit crunchy there, so we will work on this. Do the pecs. into the pecs. And traps. Latissimus dorsi. External intercostal. Feels good. Into the glutes. And the bicep femoris. Quad. And the hamstring. General tightness in the glute and the hamstring. Just going to go on to the other side. Move you with me. Masseter muscle. TMJ. Got a bunch of water in there. What are you holding on that for, huh? Rhomboid. Sthemus. Brachiocephalicus. Oh. Yeah. To the traps. And the delts. Pecs. That's good, eh? Triceps. This tricep feels better than the other one. The latissimus dorsi is the back. General tightness. And the external intercostal abdominals. Some rigidness right here. Just work on that a bit. And the glutes. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to use my tool. Done a couple massages today, so I'm getting a little bit tired, but I'm just going to work nicely up here on the rhomboid. Doing some circular motions with the tool. Just working the front of the brachiocephalicus, which is the neck. Moving some blood flow down into the front pec here. Boy. into that tricep a bit here. He's a hard one to relax. I've massaged him a couple times and I don't find he does a lot of licking and chewing. I think it might take a couple times for me to give him a massage and relax. Flies are really annoying. Work my way into the traps. I feel like every horse really likes their traps done. It's no different than us. I think we like our traps done as well. We sit there with them scrunched up, but you think they gotta move their whole body and they're involved in the forward movement, right? So probably feels nice to have them rubbed. Do the external intercostal, just nice and light, because that's over, it's a thin layer of muscles and it's over the ribs, so you don't want to go too hard. Into the latissimus dorsi. I'm just going to go back and forth with my tool here. A little bit of release there. I'll work my way into the glutes. And the bicep femoris. Flies. Okay. During the top of the hamstring that ties into the glute. Nice sigh there. I'm going to do for that side, I'm going to switch over to the other side. Good boy. Let me get some spray. So back at the masseter muscle here, holds the bit. Okay. Oh, we got a little bit of a release there. That's good. I'm just gonna go into the rhomboid. Just doing the splenus and the brachiocephalicus. His lip is quivering. It's like he wants to release, but he won't. To the front of the pec here. And the delt. Tricep. My way into the traps here. Latissimus dorsi. Down into the exterior intercostal abdominal. abdominal wall. Again, I don't go super hard on that because it's just a thin layer of muscle over top of ribs. I don't want to dig too deep into there. It'll feel nice. Certainly feels good on the abdominals for him. It's nice. See? Lift the belly, stretch your back. Yeah. Into the glutes. I'm going to use my tool. Just shaking the upper glute here. Working my way back to the hamstring. Watch my toes. Rub the bicep femoris. And the front of the quad. The digital flexors. And the extensors. Stretch. The other side. And that is my final for Chinook. I think regular maintenance for him is probably a good idea. He's 21, like I said, so general arthritis and stiffness, any kind of massage is going to feel good and help him feel supple. So I'm going to tell his owner to continue doing what she's doing, and I would like to see him at least once a month, if not every 2 weeks. But overall, I think he did well.